116.
Go ahead.
Yeah, back out on here on Mesquite, there's a black Range Rover. It's parked at the first house on the right. 1306 Mesquite.
10-4, black Range Rover, this is existing.
What's up? Huh? I don't know, you're waving your fingers at me. Step up, I got the suspect right now. You don't reach for anything, dude. Hey, don't reach for anything, bro. Don't reach for anything. Don't you do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Step him up, step him up, step up, step up, step up. Hey, don't. Let me see your hands. Hey! Shit! What the fuck? He's got an AR! He's got an AR! He's got an AR! He's got an AR! He's got a rifle! He's got a rifle! He's got a rifle! He's got a rifle! He's got a rifle, he's got a rifle.
Alright, Raven, we're right overhead. He's looking at the drone. He's moving back and forth between the two vehicles. Black t-shirt, black pants, using both doors as cover. Alright, hold the air. He's down.